Hello, classmates!
Hi guys!
Siguro naman, enjoy na enjoy kayo dyan. Hindi namin nakikita, pero I'm sure you guys are having fun. Pasensya na, hindi kami nakauwi kasi maraming mga responsibilities dito sa trabaho. Usually, baka mag-strike kami in the next 3 weeks. So, hindi ako makalis. Kaya, pasensya na talaga. Kami pa naman nag-suggest na July ang reunion para makauwi kami kasi bakasyon ng mga bata. But anyway, hopefully, you'll still invite us to the next one. Mga December or mga July hanggang August bakasyon ng mga bata nun. So, sana makauwi kami. Okay? So, enjoy na lang kayo dyan.
Yep, same din sa akin. We have a couple projects that's going live this weekend, and my backup person just got married, and he's in Hawaii right now for his honeymoon. So wala talaga may iwan. Sorry talaga. We look forward to this event for many years now, and so when it's here, hindi kami makapunta. There's no other place we want to be right now but to be with you guys and celebrate our reunion.
30
siguro,
years.
30 years, yeah. Next time na lang. Sometime this year, siguro makauwi kami, but we don't know yet. We'll see. We always hope for something. So, enjoy. We've sent our representative from California, si Lieutenant Commander Randall Fernandez. Congratulations again, Ran. Ikaw nang bahala sa mga classmates natin na treat them well, you know. Yung pinabaon ko, ipamigay mo dyan. And,
Kung ano man yun.
kung ano man yun, ikaw nang bahala.
Make sure na siya magbayad ng half the cost ng reunion. Marami yung bala.
Ang daming bala niyan.
Sige. Till next reunion na lang. Okay.
Enjoy kayo dyan. Miss namin kayong lahat. Sana imbitan yung mga teachers natin. And,
Oo nga
kung
pala.
sino mang
Si
makita
Mr.
nila.
Ocampo, kamusta na ba siya? Dala pa ba niya yung eraser at yung chalk?
Si Mrs. Mrs. Peraha, Mrs.
Apasan.
Apasan, you know, yung mga paborito
Yun lang.
natin dyan. Tsaka yung principal, di ko matandaan eh. So, pinatatakutan na lahat. Basta sa Mr. Ocampo, paborito natin yan.
Sige. Enjoy kayo.
Have fun, guys.
Okay.
Till next time.
Sige. Bye-bye.
Bye.